Uh-huh. Yes, so we don't come back live. Yes, we don't come back live, and this is Madam MC Godimount. And with me on the studio is Winnie and Ishbin Lena. The matter we dey discuss today na we say let us discuss domestic violence. Wetin dey really cause am and how we go fit put an end to this, or wetin be our own contribution wey we go fit give to stop domestic violence. Sorry, we have a break in transmission, so we just come back now. The number to call is +43 699 104041 and 51. And if you dey inside Austria Gongon and you want to call, you just need to call direct. The +43, no the necessary, or the 0043, no the necessary, just call the number direct, and the number to call is 0699104041 and 51. Before we go on break, we will talk about this. Yeah, thank you, my sister. She welcome. She said welcome back. Thank you. We will talk about this. What do you call them? Verbal abuse. We don't talk about sexual, physical, and economic abuse. All this one I'm waiting package when they on domestic violence. Of course, all of us know what be domestic violence. Now we sit down on this verbal abuse before we go on break. So now, wetin be your take on that? Wey because of man no money again, woman go begin insult am. Woman no money again, man go begin insult am.
So make we call the number back.
Let me put it back for you. Plus. So my dear, I don't call the number, but I don't pin them. But the number make I call them again. It's +43 699 104041 and 51. I get a caller. Make I answer this caller. Make we answer. Hello, sir.
Hello, good afternoon. Yeah.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Your topic, domestic violence, isn't it?
Yes, sir. What we go do? Make we eradicate this thing when they give us, when they choke us for body kumeme.
Well, the thing is that there are so many factors surrounding domestic violence,
Okay.
especially in homes.
Mm-hmm.
They differ actually, and environmental influence is also involved. But basically, to start with, well, we have to talk about domestic violence. It's a negative thing.
It's a negative thing.
Causes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a negative phenomenon, and there are causes for such kind of things. You know, to start with, both parties. If we have to talk about people that are legally married, for instance, or as to use it as a case study, why domestic violence happens in illegal married homes. There are differences and there are factors that might be the cause.
Okay.
And if we have to use a region, probably like an Africa,
Okay.
as a case study, or Nigeria, so to say,
Okay.
as a case study, there are many factors surrounding that. For instance, the mentality already among the culture we live in make it clear that men are dominant in homes, according to what the religion and the Bible as the head and that and that. But that's not the real problem. The real problem is we should have it in mind that so many people have some ill health problems that might be causing this, because A man that raises his hand, to abuse the wife,
Yes.
knows what he's doing is not even normal. But there are causes that might have made him do such. One,
Yes.
some men look down on their women, in the sense that when they feel they have a upper level or a upper class or that a better job more than the woman, they do that. But I bet you, when your wife is more than you, you will be conscious to do that or to carry out the domestic violence at home.
Okay.
You will be conscious. But those people that often becomes victims of this, their men have more upper hands.
Yeah.
And I see it as part of being sick. Such men are sick. But notwithstanding, women can also contribute to push the man to that extreme or going that extreme.
Yes.
Yeah. To abuse the wife or the partner.
Yeah.
As well, Pastor, the man also can be a factor that can lead a wife to pour abuses or to put extra wire that might lead a man that is highly temperamental or that cannot control his temperament to abuse the wife. So there are a lot of wide factors that could cause the domestic violence.
So what do you think? What is your... Okay, go ahead, sir.
Some people are sick. Just like your topic, we were talking about the one of your guests. We're talking about monetary aspect, whereby if the man was once successful in his business or whatever, and at the end of the day, maybe a business crumbles and cannot be able to support the family as it used to be, such kind of thing could push a woman to an extreme, disobeying the man. That is bad also from the woman's side. A woman should also understand when a man is derailing, because you always remember at the beginning it was honey and sweet and every life was going well. Then suddenly everything starts derailing. The woman should also understand that things are not like the beginning.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir,
hold on, sir.
I never said that the woman is supposed to do that. I made one example. I said that when things are rosy for the man, you have to open up to your wife and be transparent. That when you have lapses or flopses on your business, she will try to understand you. That was what I was saying. I never said that when your husband is no more successful, you can now talk to the man anyhow. It depends.
No, I'm saying that it is also a negative factor from the woman's side that can cause or that can lead a man to become
okay. Now I get it.
Because I'm in support of what you are saying. When they were rosy periods, everybody was living fine.
Yeah.
When everything crumbles, the woman should also adjust and understand that the beginning was okay and she had everything she had wanted, and now that the things or the man is having some challenges, the woman should also step down and understand that these are trial periods and she just have to endure. But there are some women that do still refuse. I don't care to understand that now is not like that as it used to be.
Okay.
And they still want to push the man to extreme, and such situation can even lead the man to become unnecessarily aggressive.
Okay, sir, I want to ask you a question, sir. Daddy, I would like to ask you a question, sir. Hello, sir. Do you think it's right for a man to be very transparent with the wife when his business are moving up and up?
Absolutely, 100%. A man should be transparent from the beginning to to the end.
But why is it that now some men don't want to do that?
Our people, you should understand, the fingers are not equal, so human beings are also not the same, because there are people that are a little bit selfish, but it's not selfish in a negative form. Some men might only want to, because when you know your wife is an extravagant person, there are women that are also extravagant.
Yeah.
And when you know that, that does not mean you should not love your wife. You know your wife is extravagant, because there was a time she was using Gucci, and now she can use H&M, but she still insisted that she doesn't want H&M, she wants Gucci. And if you know there was a time, because as a smart guy, all you need to do is, as you are doing your businesses, you must be keeping some for when the days are no more rosy.
But would you agree with me that no matter how transparent a man is at the beginning, when it goes rough, some women will still not want to understand. They will still be verbally abusive and all of that, and it will push the man into beating them up.
Is that true, sir? Is that true, sir?
That's why for a woman that lives extravagant life, some gets to a level whereby they fail to realize or understand that the man can no more meet up such challenges. And such things also, they can push a man to an extreme that can even cause a domestic violence in their homes.
Okay, thank you.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. We have another call on the line. Thank you for your contribution, sir.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. Bye.
Hello? Hello, please turn down the volume of your internet, or I don't know where you're watching from. Please turn it down and let's talk on.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Hello, good evening, sir.
Please, I want to contribute.
Yeah, please lower down the volume of your computer or your handset. I don't know where you are watching from.
Okay. I will note it down.
Okay, thank you very much. Make your contribution, sir. May we know you and where you are calling from?
Yeah, I'm hearing what you are discussing. I
Okay.
want to contribute on behalf of myself.
Okay, may we know your name and where you are calling from, sir?
My name is Augustine. I'm calling from Vienna.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Can you make your contribution, sir?
Okay. I want to talk about I want to really take the sister of Europe, the sister that wear Europe clothes.
Our sister will yell, yeah, okay?
Yeah, the sister with the Europe clothes. That's something he says now.
Yeah?
Okay, like me now, I bring my wife here from Nigeria to Austria.
Okay.
The wife is not up to 6 months from me, and we have problem. And she went to the far house. And when she went to the far house, she was in the far house up to now. Then planning more evil upon evil upon evil upon evil to destroy the man that bring her here. Let me say something. Sometimes a man can give a woman all the hands he needs, but there is a selfish woman. Like me, I give her all the hands she needs to do whatever she wants to do in Austria.
Yeah.
But because of bad friends, wicked friends, they advise her what to do and push the man to the wall. And this man becomes a drunkard. I become a drunkard. This particular bride that's speaking and know me is very good. I know his wife. But now I'm talking about those suffering now, paying for 5 children. For a woman just 6 months in Austria. 6 months in Austria, now she's in the flower house. What can you tell me about this? This is not wickedness of a woman. After suffered and do many jobs, day and night, 3 jobs to bring the woman. And what I'm advising people, again, if you want your marriage to last, please do not have third party.
Okay, Mr. Austin, sir, Mr. Austin, we are getting a message from the audience. Somebody is writing from our audience, and she's answering a question. So I don't know if you don't mind answering the question, sir.
Okay, please tell me the question.
Okay, the question is, she said, Oga, what did you do to her? Please talk truth, my brother. That
okay. The problem.
Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, the problem that caused the problem is when a woman arrives in Austria, she arrives in this particular land. And I bring her to people that I know that they know God. Understand me now? People that I believe that true people of God, child of God. And sometimes when she is pregnant, when she is pregnant, then I give her the back command because I'm working so far. I told her, please go to bank, take money and buy whatever you want to buy. But she refused to take that back command to go to bank. Rather, she went to somebody in West Bank and collect money to go and buy something. But the bank is from our house. It's only 3 minutes. 3 minutes somebody can walk to go to bank. And I told her so that you can learn how to operate the bank. And whatever you want to buy, you can buy. But this person has never in Nigeria spoke any. The one I'm talking, he's talking back. She has never done it in Nigeria for 10 years. But she arrived here and did it. And start changing words, speaking. How much do I used to break her home? My brother, I did a mistake, oh. I slap her, oh.
You slap her. And that is domestic violence.
That's my point. She pushed
Wait, excuse me. Yes.
In Vienna, people gossip so much.
Yes.
People would not know what about the truth.
Yes.
But they will use their name, state their name in Vienna everywhere, but don't know what really happened.
Yes, true.
And I begged this woman, I cried. Right now, I cried, I moved everywhere, begging her, kneeling down, begging her, please come back home. He said, Oba is dead. He told me, Oba is dead body.
Oh, Gabi, I want to talk something. Can I say something about this?
Mr. Austin, hold on, sir. Mr. Austin, hold on, sir. There's a yeah?
I want to talk something about this issue.
Hold on, sir.
I don't know if the woman they look this program.
Of course, I know this story very well. I know
Sure,
this
you
story.
understand? This woman, what do you do this man? E no good. My oga, I wan tell you something. To be a drunkard is not the solution, my oga. Sure, you dey tell me, you dey hear me so?
I hear you.
To be a drunkard not be the solution. Abeg pack your life from where you live am, make you come back to yourself.
This lady.
Who wan marry this woman with 5 children now? Because I don't know. We don't know.
No, she has 3 children. She has 3 children for me. I have 3 children for me.
To understand that women can actually push men to beating them.
No, this woman dey talk say one person talk say na you come why you slap her.
But why are we?
See
But when she slapped her, that's what she said now. He was pushed to the wall.
This man dey talk
It's
now.
her fault.
No, maybe some people no understand. Say I bring my wife 6 months she don enter gang. Come talk say because Europe dey give woman power. He come push the woman to wall.
Exactly my point.
My woman, see make I tell you something. I get one person. Wetin this man dey talk?
Not true.
E get one guy, the guy ask me out. Now I tell am say I no dey follow you. You no get wife for Nigeria, you no get wife for our children. You know wetin the guy tell me? He say I can never bring my wife come Europe because she go join gang. Abeg women I dey beg una. I dey beg una. If our husband wey dey for obodo oyinbo dey find better life for us, make we dey okay, make we dey respect am.
Exactly.
Make we dey respect am.
Yeah, she stopped me for road. I stopped her for begging her. She told me that I will pay alimente, pay.
If you my organic I tell you something.
Because
She
my
will
sister
be
make her
rich
be bad
than me.
influence.
My organic I tell you
She has
something.
said not be
That
better
she will
person
be
to start
rich
with.
than me.
Did you hear what? Excuse me, sir. There was a point you made that I like very much. She pretended to you for 10 years until she got
10
here,
years.
and it took her just 6 months to change. Now she don't dey build this thing they come. She has been asking questions if we should even investigate them more. She has been communicating with people over here if possible. She knows more about Europe. She's like, make her reach there first.
But
it's too quick. 6
excuse
months.
me, but according to him, this woman never left the house until he slapped her. And that is domestic violence.
But she pushed him. That's the point.
Must that get to the point of slapping the woman?
We know say
We
I
are
want to
human
know.
beings.
I've got-
he did not stop. He say I make mistake.
Okay.
Now he tap am.
And the woman is supposed to forgive her.
Yeah, he say I make mistake, I slap am.
Yes.
We understand say na mistake he made.
Yes.
Oga abeg sometimes we women say we get kolo for head. We say
Thank
the
you.
kolo wey dey our head we fit frustrate anybody. Shey you understand? Try make you work on your anger issue. Shey you understand?
So what is your
But no, it's not necessary again because I already put for a divorce. She said she's not coming back again.
Oga forget am, you still be married, you never old now.
now.
You never old, you still be married.
My life, But so, what am I talking about? I'm
Okay.
talking about marriage without forgiveness. Marriage without forgiveness can never work.
Yes.
And when marriage is one-sided, or love is one-sided, can never work. And that is that destroy marriage, friendship. It's about too much of friends.
Okay, I beg one person talk something now. One lady. Hello, sir. One person talk something now. The person name na Obuna Nkechi. Say usually family problem is from both sides. The love is dead. Oga go and marry another woman. You fit marry again?
Well, for me, I don't want to marry you again.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Let's get another caller.
Women now. I'm scared of women now.
Thank you. Okay, thank you for your contribution, sir.
very much.
Let's take another caller.
Sister Alex, Sister Ese Alex, my sister. This one dey very bad. If our husband bring us from Africa, come here.
But
We can't think say we don't enter the Europe finish. We can't get power on them. No matter wetin with the man dey do, shey you understand? For that man to think of it, say wan bring you come Europe for better life. Abeg, make we dey appreciate that man. This 6 months when the woman enter, it too fast.
Hello?
It's too early. That's why the fact say I dey follow women. It's too early.
yeah, good afternoon and welcome to the program. May we know who is on the line and where you are calling from?
My name is Victor. I'm calling from Germany.
Okay, from Germany. Your name is what?
Victor.
Okay, Victor, welcome to the program. How is Germany today, sir?
We give God glory.
What part of Germany are you calling from, sir?
Frankfurt.
Okay, Frankfurt. Frankfurt.
Yeah.
Are you from what country, sir? Sorry, John.
I just want to make some contribution to what you are discussing.
Okay, sir, go ahead.
You see, these days, even me as a person, I do advise our blacks not to bring their woman to Europe anymore.
Okay.
Because these days, when you bring your woman from Nigeria, you can imagine your woman to be a respectful woman to you. While she was in Nigeria, she obey and she cook, she do everything, you know. But getting to Europe, understanding the system of what Europe is introducing, all of a sudden they become the husband, and they want the husband to become the wife. You understand? In the same way, where the husband cannot say a thing anymore, before you know it, you start checking with divorce, with police, all these things. So you see, the message I want to pass out to this person in question, you understand, is that first, he has given back, this woman has given back to 5 kids, right? She has given back to, hello?
Yeah, with you, sir.
Yeah, she has given back to 5 kids. So for me, if the man loves his kids so much, I think he should call the woman and sit her down and talk sense to her. If it is possible, because there are some women they cannot control once that kind of this European spirit gets into them. But if she can still control her, to talk to her, because if that woman with 5 kids, nobody is going to marry that woman 100%. He will only be seeing all those small guys on the street just trying to penetrate into her. After doing what they want to do with her, they will run away. At the end of the day, it will influence those kids for bad manner. And at the end of the day, those kids will learn different things from different men. That woman will be bringing to the house. Even though if it's a woman that is cultured or that respects herself, there is no how she wants to do it. There will be that fatherly love will be missing, and apart from that, that woman cannot take care and give those kids the real culture and the real training that a child should have. 5 kids. So for me, if the man should not go away because of it, he should not come back because of that woman, but because of those children. You understand? Their future is very, very important. So what I would say is that let that woman, are you with me?
Yes, sir, we are with you, sir.
Okay, let that woman, if that woman is hearing us as we are talking, let her come back to us, because if anybody is lying to her outside, that we will take care of you, we will do everything for you. That is the life from the pit of hell. That is the way, because our men in Europe too, they are also evil. When you bring your woman from Nigeria, It is that your woman that you bring from Nigeria that is that their logatron and their priest is standing for, that they want to sleep with. You understand? And they start educating that woman. They start giving her wrong impression to leave the husband just because they don't want to mess around. So if that woman is listening, she should know that nobody will be like the husband for her. Nobody will take care of those kind of kids like the father. So if you think that there's one sugar boy or one babalaye or one useless man outside here trying to twist her and say, oh, I will do everything for you. Once he gets to that two balls or that two legs, that is the head. That is just the head. The next thing is he will say that my abeg come apart to look who won't carry bakata now, he won't fight with him, he wants to make a body for waiting now. You understand? So please let that man also come down. Because for me as a person, me as a person, if a woman is too arrogant, I cannot go back to her. I would rather drop her. But if the man can still come back to talk to that woman, to bring her down, to talk to her that she will listen and she will behave like the woman that she was before they bring her to Europe, I think the man should just hide the pride and call that woman back and let them leave the family and let them develop it. But if that woman is so sold out to the world, or maybe he is doing something else outside, because for me, if my woman leave me, if somebody else sleeps with her, I cannot take her back. That's the end. You know, they come out again.
Okay.
End of discussion.
End of discussion.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Hello, good evening. Good afternoon. Welcome to the program. Who is on the line? May we know where you are calling from?
Good day.
Good evening, sir.
My name is Jose. I come from Lagos.
From Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, welcome to the program.
Yes, so I don't go lie. I enjoy everything that they do.
Thank you, sir.
They protect me for body.
Thank you. Thank you.
First of all, domestic violence. If you notice those days, not the plenty the way we did now.
Okay.
The truth is the love matter. Not the love matter again. People they enter marriage because of different reasons. Some they enter marriage because they see their brothers and sisters and they won't marry. Some they enter marriage because they see money, they won't enter. Now they know they enter for love. You hear me though?
Yes, sir. We hear you.
Now we think they come out because those days when you date your woman, that dating process supposed to make you understand who she be.
Okay.
She too will understand who you be.
Yeah.
Now, when she comes to say, okay, oh, this person, let's say, is temperamental. He will now decide whether to cope with that, or this guy knows that he also, but I can manage with her.
Yes.
They notice that people when they date, they know they look all those kind of things because maybe that time the boy be carry you go buy shawarma, the boy be carry you go buy shawarma. You think life be love, not true.
It's true.
So when I go enter marriage, level go change. Because if una begin suffer now, una no go come fix manage the sufferness. Now that time you come here say, my husband no give me money for food, my wife no support me.
Now make me talk say if you dey inside relationship, now make me talk that I say if you dey inside relationship, the man dey spend for you. No dey use your 10 fingers dey eat.
And you get one point when you talk say when they dey relationship, when they are courting, make them for understand each other. I still believe say some people dey that they hide themselves until they marry.
Na so.
You see?
When I talk my sister.
Some people they don't show themselves. Especially people say they don't due for marriage or maybe all their friends don't marry. They won't come marry because their friend married. Brother, she will be the best girl until after marriage.
Like this last caller, the caller before the last caller, I say for 10 years.
You don't see that character.
You don't see that character. Now after 6 months,
bring her come,
6 months, you carry wife from
that
here.
is who she has been for a long time. She just patient because say the guy there Europe.
You see? Because I will use my own as an example. Make I use and teach people.
Okay.
Now I get very temperamental. You know, now one of the flaws when I get for my character. But I get woman will understand say, oh, now so I feel okay, make I see way to say the manager. You understand? Me, I don't know if she on her own path. He also get that temperament, but now when I feel manage, at the end of the day, I don't decide, okay, you I feel manage that one. So that tomorrow, when I enter the marriage, I just say, now waiting I sign up for.
Yes.
So you understand? So some people also again, they enter marriage without planning, without future. They will enter they will begin born pikin. I dey tell people, not be say to born pikin not dey sweet. But that don't mean say because you get 1 naira, other people dey born, you will come born. I make you go on sweet because they dey born their pikin according to their pocket. Say you understand?
Yes.
Money, now they cause trouble for marriages. I dey tell people, no matter how small, if you can provide for your family,
but excuse me, sir. If it is the money that cause problem for marriage in the relationship, must we consider that?
Yeah.
What is your suggestion? What do you think we need to do to bring an end to that?
My brother, end not the day, we not deceive ourselves. End, no, I dey tell you true. End not the day because that problem will still dey come up every day.
Na so na they don talk am. They say marriage na institution wey person no dey graduate.
Yes, no. See, many of us we learn from the mistakes of our fathers and our mothers. Say you get that. Now, if you dey grow up, you dey see your mama and your papa dey quarrel. You dey see the things. You as a pikin suppose to, when you reach my turn, I suppose to prove on those things and make them dey quarrel. But it no happen like that. Make I ask you one question.
Okay,
say
sir.
From year one. Make I ask you one question. From year one, you dey pay. From year two, you dey pay. From year three, you dey pay. When you reach final year, can you come out with a test class?
No.
You cannot. You cannot. So the advice I dey give my brother, two of them go sit down, talk am. If na wetin the man go say, make we say for money. If na wetin the man go say, okay, my wife, make I open small shop. If na small money dey come out, use am spend for the kids. Me on my own part, make I try hustle the one wey I go dey pay their school fees, the one I go dey pay their rent. Many couples don dey do that thing.
Okay.
I dey tell you. Then make I end the story, make I allow other people enter.
Thank you very much.
I want to throw one love to my brother Rambo, when me and I dey play football. Tell am say to obey from Agbo when they Lagos, the Highland.
Okay. Rambo is a strong family member of this foreign entertainment and is doing very, very great. Thank you very much.
Yeah, somebody just wrote now, una never hear from the woman. No.
And another person like this.
Duchines they say una never hear from the woman.
Now, listen, this
which
my
is very true.
response to
But
that.
we talk based on what the man talk
Yes.
now, which may not be 100% correct.
Yeah, it may not be that, but we just want to establish the fact that there are some women like that. That's the point you're trying to
No,
establish.
the fact that
some
Duchines
women dey like that.
So women really dey like that.
Yes.
Yes.
No, we're not talking that true or not lie, but
Yes.
we just want to establish the fact, say, so the reason for some domestic violence na because some women they push the men or they do some wrong things to the men when they lead the men to beat them up.
Yes.
And another person still talk am. He say make una no dey bring una wife come from Africa. Abeg.
No.
Our husband, we dey beg una.
But make I tell
We
you.
need
No, you don't say,
better
you don't
life.
say, Gary, you dey
We
advise
need better
ladies.
weather.
You dey
Shey
advise
your-
ladies
yes,
now,
now.
say, if a man bring you call,
Yes.
try bear am.
Yes.
I know someone. There.
But to
My
marry
daughter-
a woman now as a man for Africa, you go Africa go marry the woman. You know if you say women fool for here, you can't leave the woman here, come go Africa go marry the woman. Come marry and finish, leave am for there. Come here, come dey stay. They go Nigeria or Ghana or Tanzania or any part of Africa country once in every 2 years or once in every year for just 3 years and come back. Is that not domestic violence?
Yeah.
Because you are denying her of sex, you are denying her of that your love, you are denying her of your companionship.
Emotional.
No, we understand. No.
And another thing, a part of domestic
No,
violence.
make I tell you something.
Is that
If
also
you
correct?
marry your husband,
Or
okay,
wife,
God,
leave am for Africa.
God, you marry your husband. God can't open way for your husband. He can't travel. She understands that you find better goal.
Exactly.
Now you go know as you go take the shovel am, even though you no see am every day.
Yes.
But you dey call am video call, sweetheart, I know you miss me. You get as say the pipi in brain calm down. Shey you understand? The woman go understand. Unlike the one wey no care, wey go just leave their wife for ground. You no see am, you no
This
want
topic
talk
is
to
a very
am.
special one. This should be a topic for another day because this one, there are many ways you can keep your wife busy, even if say you dey far away from her.
Pikin dey cause problem. Prick dey cause problem. My brother, I don't know that one.
No, leave this topic because this one is a special topic. This is about say you leave wife for Africa.
So he say Alex talk say the ones wey their husband dey abroad, wey dem dey Africa, wey dem no dey care, say dem get boyfriend. That one me I don't know.
But it's the truth.
No, but there's a way you can be
Not be all
sexually
of them.
no, there's a way you can be sexually connected
Not be
to
all
a
of
woman,
them.
even if you're far away.
No.
And you wouldn't really miss each other.
Apart
until
from
you
that,
get
my
to
sister,
see.
me I even still tell you say that one sef na like they no dey sell machine now.
God bless you. You buy one for her.
But you know, Nigeria, Africa, where we come from, it's a very religious place.
People
say justice, na sin.
My
I don't
sister,
accept that one.
then I don't know which comedian make this joke. He talks if you go church on Sunday, when pastor dey jump up, say hey, there's miracle today. This one make you know say Mommy Gio don set it down. So make you comot that one. That one is very very important for inside the marriage. I
But there are many
such
ways. There are many ways to
relationship no
fix that
favour
one.
our
That is a good they say, I beg, such distance relationship no favor our generation. And that I agree with you, Duchine, 1,000,000% on my own idea.
Personal idea.
Personally, I agree with you. Because to marry woman, carry and keep for Africa, for you dey go maybe once in every year or 2 times. Now domestic
I
violence.
still see another one sef. He say you can manage woman in
Hello,
Africa
sir.
if you are not strong in bed.
Hello.
But here in Europe, younger guys will take over. Why you sef no go use agbojedi?
Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello?
We are with you.
Wanna make it noise? I want to ask question.
Okay. Now our program, we are free, sir.
One ask is a day sister where we are in Europe.
Okay, we will.
Marry.
For the sake of those that are watching, now the man who dey talk in matter be this, like also. He said,
I know she that's what the one where we are white, now your wife.
I no be for real wife
Because I see that very bro.
Okay now don hear now this man wey talk say no wan remarry. He don talk say he wan remarry again.
okay, you live for Vienna here. Okay, what happened is this. We don't discuss such thing on this program. But we encourage we encourage such thing in life, but we don't discuss such on this program. The number is displayed on your screen. Immediately we end this program, you can call in there, we can talk more on that. Are you interested?
Am I
Don't worry, God will provide your heart
Wait,
desire.
excuse me now. What you make you dey interested in her now? Just give us
Yeah,
a
the lady assist for me. The lady don't know the system already. I think they should accept me. Not move like forward immediately.
forget that one. Some women wey still know the system.
They use the system. They use the system.
They use
I don't know even why you pass.
I believe say she not gonna leave me. She don't understand the system.
Oh God.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, man.
Thank you, sir. That was a nice one. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah, I have called before. I'm calling again. I just have another contribution I want to contribute
Are you the caller from Germany?
because I listened to. Yes, I'm the person from Germany.
Okay.
A caller was saying something. You can. He said you can have kids according to your pocket. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
When I was in Nigeria too, I said that I will have kids. I will not have more than 3 kids.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Because of economic reason.
Okay.
I wish to have more. Mm-hmm. Being that I'm the only child of my mother, I wish that I have more. But because of the economic reason in Nigeria, I told my wife, I said, we only have 3. But when I move into Europe and things get better, I said, hey, come, you will give back tomorrow. He said, but you have said that it's 3. I said, no. I said, now I think it's okay now. Now I have 5. And I said, I'm still going to 8.
Yeah.
You have 5 kids already.
Sure. That's 5 kids.
You said?
You have 5 kids already, sir.
I have 5 already.
And you want
I said
8?
I'm still going to 8.
Okay.
Yes.
How many wives do you have? How many wives do you have?
You know the reason why?
Oh, no, sir.
Something there is that the best thing is that most of all these are women. When they go to work, they learn all this is where they learn all these guns. That's where all these European people get into them and the time is behaving. But when he's taking care of kids at home, so the something there is that
Violent man. That's like indirect violence.
when you have when after 3 years before you they will come and call you that you have to go back to work, another pregnancy is already there. And after educating my woman how you have to be arrogant to your wife, to your husband, it will never work.
No, Dad, do you know that you are abusing her like that? You are abusing her like that, though. You are abusing her like that. She deserves a normal life too, apart from being a wife.
We both agree. That is not abuse. We both agree. You understand?
Okay.
That we should have it.
Okay.
Me, you see, one thing about it is that you cannot be a man can build a house.
So you don't want her to socialize with people. That's what you're trying to say now.
You said?
You don't want her to socialize with people.
No, not that she should not get socialized. She can get socialized, but you know that socialized to be limit. Because it's from most of our wives in Europe, they meet most of all these women that are single, who are not ready to have husbands. They meet them at work. That is where they meet most of the time. You understand? And that's where they get initiated to all this kind of their stupid group.
But bro, let me tell you something.
And I make sure that I take care of my home. You know, I'm doing my best to make sure that they don't have
Okay, yeah, I
But let me
understand
tell you
your
what,
point
it
now.
doesn't matter the fact that she wants to born 10, 20, 100 children. Who wants spoil? He goes spoil. She just loves you and respects you, and I believe you should appreciate that. It's not by her giving best
you are right. But me, I'm not giving my own. That is my own way. You understand? And this lady in yellow, Princess, I know you very well.
I know you
my
too.
own person. I know you very well. Then you understand? That lady is not free. It's not free. I know your boyfriend do.
So, Mr. Austin, wake up. There's a chance that the boyfriend. You cannot go back.
I love that.
Our men too. Please, I want to talk to our men.
Okay,
please,
sir.
Most of us. Please, just give me 1 minute more.
Go ahead, sir.
Most of us, we are very bad. When we bring our woman from Europe, we talk to them as if they are slaves.
Yes.
Because to bring them from Europe, you have to do this. Some of our men, they are like that. You understand? So I want to use this opportunity to talk with our women, our men, is that when your wife is in Nigeria, the way you treat her, when you want to bring her to Europe, you have to change that style a little bit. Because where we are living now is much more exposed, much more better than where we were before. So there are lots of things that are eyes will open up. So if you respect your wife as well, you treat her like your queen. Definitely she will, even though somebody is taking her against you outside. If as long she's a well-cultured woman, she will tell that person that I think you are not normal.
Yes.
You cannot ask me what to say. I cannot do that to my husband because she is doing everything for me. Why would I leave him? For what? Why would I cheat on him? You understand?
Yes.
So this fault sometimes is from our men because the way they talk to their wife. You understand? Me, I will be honest. You understand? I'm talking to the world. I will be honest. When I brought my woman from Nigeria, I was a victim of that. Okay. But later, I got to understand that when she was in Nigeria. Yes, because there's no work in Nigeria, everything is so down. So I feed them everything. And when you are doing everything all alone to bring food on the table, you talk like a king. You understand? Yes. But when you bring your woman to Europe, both of you are working. Then you have to talk to her like your partner, like your wife, not like a king anymore. You understand? You talk to her like somebody that is your sister, like it's your mother. You understand? So yes. That she will also feel that respect from you. You understand? So I'm using this opportunity to talk to our men. We should also be careful the way we talk to our men. The way if you treat your woman very well, to be honest, no woman will go wayward. No woman will rise against you if you treat them very well.
Yes.
But if you don't treat them well, so other people will treat them bad. Then in Europe, we should be able to know there are lots of single single people. Most of all these people in the camp, in the Azul camp, they don't have girlfriend. If you know that you are not doing well with your woman on the bed, go and do well. Go and drink what's supposed to drink. Don't let those single guys who have not touched a woman for 10 years to touch a woman once. When they touch this one, that's the end. That's one that doesn't come.
Yes.
So if there are different problems in the relationship. So if you know that this is where the last is, try to fill it up. Try to fill it up. Now, thank God we are talking. This is our own program. We are to say whatever I want to say. There are a lot of women that say they don't get to orgasm for 2 years and they are with their man in the house. So if your wife is not getting to orgasm, you are not a man. So you have to do everything to also make sure that she gets to orgasm. So that even though if a man is talking to her outside that come, I will do this, I will do that, she will not listen. She will say, what do you want to give me? My husband give me peace. He give me respect. He give me money. He do everything for me. Even though orgasm, they come orgasm every time. So what you want to do for me? Go and look at my. I bet my friend get out. Exactly. You understand? It will be a soldier in our own house. So please, our men, let us to be honest with ourselves. The way we talk to our woman, the way we treat them in Europe. Let's try to watch that way. It's very, very important. This problem does not when you know there's one adage in my language. He say if you don't get money, now another person character you go dey do.
Yes.
But once you get money, your own character go come.
Yes.
So most of those women, when you go to say you can't get to you, they're going to do anyhow. Before when they live for Nigeria, when they don't get money, now another person character they use. As money don't come now their own character don't come, now you go to come out. Now so it be. Even you can put anybody, even man, as you don't get money, you don't know your own character. Make money come, you go know who you be.
Yes.
You understand? Now the same thing. So but women in that category should be always think that if their man has not brought them to Europe, they will never get whatever they have gotten now. So they should always think up and down that no matter what they are, even though they are collecting social, they are collecting money there, and every month they are getting about 1,500, the 1,006. You should be able to know that that husband has made those things happen.
Exactly.
So even though it's in her comfort, she will always be taken back to where she was coming from, where she was taking facing and slap you. Where my mama Emmanuel will come and carry bucket and she will not even carry, she will say there's no money to eat. But today that you are able to eat, you should be able to think back before you make any decision. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so very much, sir. Thank you very much. God bless you.
I want to talk something. This our caller, he make ogbonge points well. They say make una dey bring una wife to orgasm. No, make she for enjoy the thing as you said they enjoy the thing. Because that thing is very, very important, really. You know, we said something about sexual abuse in the relationship, that it's part of this thing.
Domestic violence.
Part of domestic violence. Yes. You won't do the thing because say you feel say yes, I don't ready, I need this thing. You don't ask yourself, say, shey my wife dey enjoy this thing as I dey enjoy am. Yeah. Na the point wey this man dey bring be that. Okay, this thing I can't talk am before. I thought say this sex of a thing na the two parties supposed to enjoy am. Our men abeg, because sex too dey bring problem inside the marriage. E dey cause domestic violence. Wey be say woman go tell you say I no dey do because if you don come, she never come, she no enjoy the thing. Make una try, make una dey improve for that thing well. Men are they improve for the thing.
Very important.
Yes, it's very, very important.
Now, when they talk about this man, there was a topic we were talking for this caller, now the last caller. When a man, when they abroad for many years, finally come to Africa, go marry woman. Marry the man, finish, leave her for there. Decide to leave her for there to come stay for Europe. Shouldn't that one not be domestic violence? Because you talk about this sex now, you go to have sex, you go to have companion, you go to deny him of so many things.
I think that one they have an agreement. That's what they talk about.
Yes, because
you think woman really they happy to say?
Accepted it because no, now the same you define violence for you, saying that to overpower the other person. This was not overpower. They talked about.
Yes.
No, they might talk about. They may discuss.
No, maybe they not talk about that.
Yes.
The opportunity just come. So you understand?
Yes.
You go get out the man, go see they relate with the woman. The woman go understand. Say, na greener pastures my husband go find.
Exactly.
So you understand? You go get how the man see they relate with the woman. Say my wife, I beg no vex. He never said. If he says, if visa don't come, I must visit. Share you understand? You are talking to her every day.
Okay, let us talk in a situation where the woman won't really come and the man no one accept. Because I believe say more percentage of the women really won't come here. They want to. In fact, family is staying together.
Yeah, if
you cannot bring your wife here, then you go back to Africa and stay with her.
It depends on two things. Share you understand?
Okay.
Maybe at the moment the man never gets power to bring her. That one still dey. Share you understand? And I know say he go agree say okay if he don't get in Ulab as in holiday he go visit.
Okay.
You get it?
What if you don't get power to bring her? Anyone bring her? This is the. Let us talk on that. Now this man.
You know there are factors that lead to the reason why he might not want to bring her.
The factor that he don't want to bring her is that he's afraid. Say the woman come here.
No, maybe the man.
But that's the discussion.
Some still dey say the man go don see the traces. Say if he don't bring this woman come, he go.
Yes, now we dey talk so.
Shey you understand?
He go fuck am up. Now that one now.
That
Is it normal? Because we get a lot of women for here. Now our people dey talk for Igbo land say ọ̀run mmiri gafee mmiri chọba mmiri ezigbo mmiri ka ọ na-achọ, meaning that somebody when see water, you understand now, you jump the water, they look for water, which means inside your mind na better water you dey find. You understand now? So we get a lot, that's the belief of that person. We get a lot of women for here now. Now you leave all these women, you left them, you travel over 7 oceans to Africa, miles, thousands of kilometers away. to go and marry a woman. Then after marrying a woman
you
now,
must say something.
you don't want kind of come here and live as family.
Some
So that one, is not the domestic violence?
So no, some way they happen like that. Maybe he and the lady they in relationship before he come up from Nigeria. That one still they happen.
Then before you go marry am now, you don't believe say you don't dey capable. Maybe your documents dey okay, you are financially okay, you can apply and they will give you, they will give her visa. You understand?
But I still know of someone that is very okay, can always go home whenever he want to go as come back.
Is that enough?
He meet the lady while in the go house. Not say they were not dating like you said.
Okay.
But there was an agreement that you will never ever come and live with you.
And why? Why?
Before they got married. Reasons best not to them.
Okay, they had an agreement.
Yes. She not even dream and say tomorrow they carry back say maybe I'm relocating to come and you are there.
But in your own sense now, what do you think go be the reason why the man go think that kind? Because family is supposed to get
together. I just
together.
see fear of this because that lady me the way me they see her that lady to come level will change you. And the overpowering I was saying talk about just as she just rightly said. That's the fear. They believe say if they come, they see we ladies where they are now as corrupt children. Say once those one come, we they corrupt them.
But there's an article I read some time ago that statistics have shown that we have more divorce in Nigeria than in Europe.
Yes, that's what the men doesn't want. That's what they don't want to really see. If they really open their eyes, the people that they call bad girls for here, and then be the angels when will save them tomorrow.
Yes.
Do you agree on that?
Yes. Because somebody talk one thing, I say come, everybody must come.
No, now our chief priest. It's a very
Not
funny
my
man.
chief priest.
It's our chief priest.
Yes, now everybody must
Now you
come.
dey refer to.
Yes, now coming level now. I must enjoy the thing if I want to do it.
Yes, but if your wife dey Nigeria and the man dey how you want to come?
If my waiting.
Yeah, if the woman dey Nigeria now and the man dey here, how you want to come? How this come go come in?
Okay, now I will tell you.
Yes.
Let's we are adults, and adults they watch this movie, this
Yes.
program. Sure you understand. There's something they call video sex. Sure you understand. Let's be blunt and let's be real.
But it's not natural.
Forget it.
It doesn't matter
If you love your man,
Mm.
even when you dey talk to her, they look in face like this. You don't
para. You don't scatter everywhere. That's why I said that topic that not for the other day because it's a very special one.
This topic is not going to end.
Okay, one person come talk say but guys should also understand that no one that has documents wish to settle down with family in Europe. Why not? Wow. Internet coming now. Yes now. When the distance is there you go follow and talk.
You say but guys should also understand that
Yeah.
not everyone that has documents
wants to
wish to
settle
settle down in Europe. That's why we know now. But
That's the point you're making.
That's what we're making. What is the reason why you don't? Because family is supposed to be both people must settle down together.
Okay, maybe he means. Let me assume. Maybe he means the person intends going back home soon once it's okay. Then you go be like saying they visit Europe. Maybe that's what he means because originally if they say they're married for real, I don't see why they should live apart. They should be together.
The original plan, as God make am, now both people should start. Even Adam and Eve, they stay together until even inside bush garden. They even walk enter garden. They always stay together.
Say I disagree with you. There is more divorce in Europe than Africa.
Well, it depends on your own statistics, but statistics when I see is more divorce in Europe than Africa, but more take key study of Australia there. We don't get more divorce here than Africa.
My brother,
maybe you're talking about London or America, maybe, but for Australia, no.
For Nigeria, some guys they won't do this marriage because this dance, this special dance where they dance for that day, go. If they come say the money no come enter like this, they say I no fit again.
Yeah.
I'm a sophisticated lady.
Yeah.
Now they cause the divorce. Now Nigeria divorce for.
Of course, for Australia we get more divorce than Africa for mouth,
yeah.
but in practical it's not true. I don't really think it's true.
A big lie on what?
What's a big lie?
Our call line.
Okay, sir, you're welcome to the program.
Summarize, please.
Okay.
I'm welcome. I think I'm your special guest today.
Yeah, the very special guest. You are the man of the day. But we enjoy your call. We enjoy your comments. Go ahead.
The contribution I want to add this time is originally marriage is family is to stay together. You understand?
Exactly.
And me, I will advise, as for women no dey wey be say they no serious. Now so some men no dey they no serious.
Yes.
You understand? But if you are together wey be say you serious, the Nigerian economy or the African economy he will not even allow families to stay together. Even though when you are in Nigeria, there you see that the husband is working at Abuja, the wife is for Lagos. Even though they're in Nigeria, you understand? So for me, what I would advise for our people in Europe is, if you are leaving Nigeria or you are leaving Africa to come to Europe, and you know that you don't want your woman to come to Europe because of one thing that you have had, or because of one thing. For me, my own opinion is that make an agreement with your wife. Okay, see, let me go and hustle. If na 6, 7, 8 years, whatever we were able to get and put together between that time, I will come back home, but we'll settle together and we'll continue to manage ourselves. You understand? I've seen many people who does that. There's one guy in Vienna before. Victor is now in Nigeria. You understand?
Okay.
When he came, you understand, he doesn't have paper, nothing. But you know all these people when they do paper, when they share paper for midnight,
yes,
but this early morning paper,
reclaimers,
that was what he was doing. Yes. He did that something in summer and in winter with bicycle for 8 good years. And during that 8 good years, this man was able to build a house in Nigeria, a 3-bedroom bungalow. He was able to send a car home. He was able to raise 1 million naira to start for the wife to start business. And he, after the whole thing, he gathered that money for himself to start business. And he relocated back home. Today, I still talk to him time to time. Today, as we are talking today now, this guy is a full businessman now. He has, even the money he's making in Nigeria, you cannot even make it in Europe.
Imagine.
So for me, it all depends on agreement. Just like what Princess was saying the other time there. It depends on what you agree. You understand? Most of it just that the problem what most of our people have is that when they get here and they leave their wife in Africa, they lose focus. They forget when they start sleeping with different women, or they start sleeping the person will never sleep with the Igbo before. God sees the Igbo, he hear God they shake blah 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 blah. They forget the wife for the year. They don't forget and with that. So for me, what I will say is that it's all about agreement. Family is not to be separated. Family has to be together. But because of economic, okay, how many Igbo they celebrate? Family in our Europe here, they know they separate now. Why are they not separating? They are staying together all the time. Why? Because the economy is good. So basically, what is causing separation of family in Africa is economic reason. Most of it is economy. So the something there is that even though if you right there in Nigeria, if you are together there, I believe say if the woman and the man, if they come together, Nigeria is not so that bad. You will still make something out of nothing.
Okay, excuse me. I want to say something. I want something. You give reason why it happened like that for Africa so many times, and you talk about Europe, so they know the two get such a problem of divorce and everything. But I don't see or I don't hear stories about a lot of Oyibo people here when they because they are very open. The women go say the man they really satisfy them very well on bed and they cause a lot of problems here. Do you agree with that?
Please come again.
You don't talk say economic reasons. Therefore, one of the reasons why most families they get problem for Africa. Is that what you're saying? Yeah. And you also said that in Europe here we don't get much divorce here, because their economic is stable. But not the only economic they cause divorce and the problem for marriage. Most Oyibo people they get economy. The economy is very stable, very okay. But most women they always complain, say, I'm talking about the whites now, that their men they really satisfy them very well in bed.
Okay.
And they always cause problems. Okay. Do you agree with that?
Okay, you see, in Nigeria, mostly what causes divorce or separation is economic reason, or some women who cannot stand their husband cheating.
Okay.
Those are the two things.
Then what about here in Europe?
But when we come back to Europe here, the white, among the whites, I have seen many, even while I was in Vienna here, you understand, I have seen lots of whites that we employ a black man to come and be servicing their woman at home.
Okay.
You understand? All because the man cannot perform it very well.
Okay.
I have seen some situations whereby a man, you understand, is something is totally dead. It's a black guy that will come and service the man, the wife at home every now and then.
And they will never divorce, and the woman will not divorce the man. No?
They stay.
You said?
It's based on
And the woman, and the man will never divorce the woman, and the woman will never divorce the man.
No, there's not divorce. It was an agreement for because the man knows that he knows his infidelity. You understand? He knows his problem and he doesn't want to lose his wife. So he accepts the man, the wife, for somebody else to come and sleep with her. You understand? So that is the. So, but in Europe here, you know how Igbo they crazy well. A both said without any reason, if you stand up today say, you know what this relationship again.
Okay, now we have a comment here. It said economy qua 70% of broken
No,
homes.
excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. There's a question for you, sir. There's a question for you,
There's a
sir.
question for you. It says 70% of broken homes in Africa are families that are financially stable, which is somehow true.
Did you hear that? Somebody is commenting on the program, and the person said that 70% of broken homes in Africa are families that are financially stable.
Yeah.
Do you agree with him?
Yes, I agree with that, and you know why? That is why I say, you see, family who in Nigeria who are financially stable, they are as good as family who are also in Europe. A Nigerian woman who is in Europe and a Nigerian woman who is in Nigeria that are financially stable. You understand? The woman will stand because there is money. You know that if he leaves the husband, nothing will happen. He has the money to survive. You understand? So definitely he will tell you that if you make nonsense, he can leave you and go. The same thing in Europe, the woman believes that he is financially free. If you make nonsense, I can go. But in the average man and woman whom they don't have anything, whom they are just surviving by $2 to $3 per day, they will say, even let the husband be cheating 100 times. The wife will still be saying, look at the 4 children, where will I take them to? He will stay in that marriage. You understand? Even though if they are telling her this and that, he will not go. She will not go, she will stay. Why? Because there is no other hope for her to survive if she leave that man. You understand? So in that case, so the one in Europe and the one in Nigeria who are financially stable, they are the same thing because they are there's financially freedom. But in a case where there's no financial freedom, it's not okay. Let's say for example, like this person we are talking about that have 5 kids. You understand? Let's assume it's in Nigeria. Will he leave the husband? It's a question. Will she? She will never leave the husband. If she wants, because the means of living will lie on that man. You understand?
Yeah.
There is no way she wants to survive with 5 kids in Nigeria without his husband. Even let the husband bring another woman come to the house, come and sleep without another matrimony in their bed. He will carry her and say he knows him. Because of what? Because he knows that there is no power to do whatever he wants to do. But when you now give her power, there's something in the Bible that says that don't let the witch to know her power. Once a witch know her power, then that family is dead. So when you give power to a woman, you understand? Woman will fight you back with that power when you do something wrong to them.
Thank you,
that
sir.
Is just the simple truth.
Thank you for the call. Thank you very much. We appreciate your calls.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Odinaka Ugochukwu, he said, yes, caller, I'm a witness to what you're saying about white men bringing black men to service their wives and still keep their relationship strong. Are you saying you are a witness or you are a witness?
Are you there or is you there?
Okay, this is much we can take for today. Thank you very much for your comments. Thank you for your calls. And for those when they watch this program, we will advise make una share this video for today, because there's a lot of people, like we always talk, when they watch this program now, and the people will watch them later because of people for work. And if you share this video, you get a people when they for your friend list, when they for our friend list, we will already share them, when we also watch them. Because internet, we say, if you don't on your internet, you don't own the world. And if you want to make this message go viral to everybody, make it go global, make everybody fit watch and make their own contributions later. Just do us a favor. Now, just 1 second of your time, and it's free. What you need to do is just click on the share button, and you go share. Everybody will do your friend list.
Okay.
Go fit
It
watch them.
was nice. Let's do it again. We mean the same topic.
It was nice. Let's do it again.
And another person said, is the caller now advising us to be financially limited to maintain a successful marriage?
Maybe that is what he meant, and we don't know. But this is not the end of the topic. The discussions continues, and I want to thank my 2 guests today on today's program.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you very much. Say una come live Facebook today to come watch For Real program. And make una no forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel For Real
MC Goldimat.
MC Goldimat. Now it be the YouTube channel.
Thank you very much. And for the caller we called before, ask whether our sister don't marry.
She's taken. She's done.
We don't go forget to say a very big thank you to our big caller, from Nigeria, say come from Agbo. I say we'll give a very big shout out to a brother. I say when they follow, when they on this program, when they always enjoy in program also when be Rambo. And for those when they always call me for their birthday shout outs, I don't always tell them, I say no be me in charge of birthday shout outs. If you call me, of course it's not a problem, but I will direct you and I will give you, I'll tell you the man in charge. Now one and only Rambo, the Ramboistic Rambo of Vienna, Austria. Rambo for real entertainment, Rambo Austria, and Rambo.
Baba Miracle.
I'm sure that they enjoy birthday shout out. Make they do like this for Vienna, Austria. If you also get your topic we will discuss on this program, or if you get advert we want to advertise for you on this program, you are free to do that. Or you get story where you get, make you just bring them. It's one family. It's not my program, like I always say. It's my program. It's your program. It's our program.
And they want to make you come anchor their occasions.
Yes, we go anchor your occasion. Foreign entertainment go always dey there for you. Thank you very much. Ogochukwu Odinaka, I say I enjoy the program. Keep it up. One love to you. One love to all our viewers. Thank you very much. Rambo is here live and he wants to say bye bye to everybody. Thank you very much. Someone MC Godiman.
Bye.
I want to say a very big thank you to everybody that tuned in into this program. I say on our well done. All the callers wey calling, I say on our well done, on our do well for our contribution. I thank everybody, boys and girls, men and women. I say a very big thank you. This topic not end today. It go still go on some other time. And people dey ask why man not dey the platform today. My brother, my sister, I go still like make I invite one or two person for the next program. If I call you, abeg not decline my call. I go like make you still come, make you still show your contribution. It must not be these two girls who I invite today. If it be you, if it be another person. I say a very big thank you to you guys. We dey draw the curtain close today, but we not draw and finish close. You go still see us next week. That is next week Saturday. This na your program, for real program, and our anchor na MC Godeman. I go like una make una share this program. Abeg, anybody, some people dey work na dem no fit watch am. After work dem fit still come in make dem still watch am. With your share, e go still help make everybody dey fit watch this program. Abeg, this na your program, this na our program. No be only my program, na all of us program. Enjoy this program. Na make we dance. A very big thank you to our guest, Winnie Pass. Na she be that one wey we hear you, and the other one with white na Ishbin Lena. I say a very big thank you. I really appreciate. As I call and I obey my call, I say a very big thank you. I really appreciate you guys from the depth of my heart.
Got big dreams, they go take me far. All I wanna do is to make the world smile. And music I dey do is my only substance, and I really got plans to make the world dance. Yeah, I make the world dance. As I get money for my pocket, balance it. I go just spend for the day, balance it. As I get money for my pocket, balance it. I go just spend like my guy, balance it. As I get better for my pocket, balance it. I go just do any other way, balance it. As I get
The party don't start. Come live. This is Ishbin Lena. Ishbin Lena of Vienna. Balance it. Balance it. Not be small. We did. Thank you very much. Thank you, my viewers. I really appreciate your calls. I really appreciate everything one I do today. I say a very big thank you. I say a very big thank you. I beg anytime we will call on, I beg no na still dey tune in like this. I beg. I really appreciate all the callers. The callers was very okay. I really appreciate. I enjoy every bit of the call. I say a very big thank you. Is Alex. I enjoy every comment when you both the call, everything. I really enjoy. I say a very big thank you. You may be the next person I feel invite for this program. Just get prepared. I feel calling anybody. Benny, I feel still call you. Edu Chinese, I feel still call anybody. Mr. Kenneth Ugochukwu, I feel still call on our bed. You wanna see my comment answer me. Wanna still call educators on one or two things. It may not be this topic, it may be another topic. I beg in case I call on another. We need financial women to make hope for not the break, no for not see you divorce. Financial women please still help.
Financial woman be that relax. Okay, now I'm going to call gas and let everything the master for your bed. Why I'm from Bosaga from that? Listen, this way, Katie, the level. I'm putting on like it was something.
A very big thank you to Sister Winnie Park. And a very big thank you, a big shout out to Ishbin Lena. Sister Winnie and Ishbin Lena. You guys made my day. I beg you now, only discussion we can't discuss. They don't get anything attached to this discussion. I beg you. They can't end their view, you don't understand? La financial woman be that, For real program is in for any advert. If you get any advert in one place, I beg, bring her on. For real program. This MC Golden Man, the man with the golden voice.
Emotional like redundant. If you tell us say you don't get money, that day you be ugly monkey.
If you have any discussion, you can bring it to our table. Sister Winnie Park is there, and Sister Ishbin Lena, they are there to make the discussion. They make the discussion to any part. They go bring a solution go come. I say a very big thank you to you guys. I really appreciate it. See you next Saturday, same time, same station.
It's a one kind. Well, I'm gonna worry, guys. I just plan. It's a tag or everything will be full of one time. But then they hot on, I got like Chama said, come back. We don't make a money. Oh, we did. I'm looking at my eat. And I get them up to everybody that beef. I'm living good now.
So, information reaching me now. Now, on Friday, will be the next program. I beg you to finish on Friday. On Friday night, the next program. Information reaching from a reliable source. On Friday will be our next program. And I go tune in for the advert. I will drop the advert before them.
Financial woman be that relax.
Gochukwu, thank you very much. Thank you for the comment, for the call. Thank you very much. I say a very big thank you. Udu Chinese, happy birthday in advance. For real, they tell you happy birthday in advance. Udu Chinese, happy birthday in advance.
Edu Chinese, now today is supposed to be the father-in-law birthday. Who's supposed to come?
Now today is 16th. So happy birthday to your father-in-law, Edu Chinese. Happy birthday, big birthday shout out. Happy birthday, Edu Chinese. Okay. Now I want to draw the curtain close. See you, same station, same time on Friday. See you. Bye.
The next program is on Friday. Bye.